Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C63 and let me share with you how to check the viruses, or basically how to virus scan your device. Alright, so fortunately nowadays we do not have to do a lot in order to check for any kind of malware or viruses. We've got the phone manager, so this is the pre-installed app, so for sure you've got one. If you cannot find it right here, no worries, just open the app drawer and then find the phone manager. Let's simply tap on it to open it, and of course if you're opening it for the very first time, give all the permissions it needs. Now all we have to do is to tap on viruses and risks. So let's tap on it, and now your device will basically scan itself in order to check any kind of malware, viruses, suspicious apps, whatever, everything. And then after that it will show you the information whether everything is all right or not. If it is not, your device will of course show you the steps which you can take in order to get rid of the risks. As you can see, in my case, the device is secured. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.